Alexis.
And I'm Addison.
And today, we're going to be unboxing Poopsie Cutie Tooties Surprise. Here's what the bag looks like. That's the front. And then this is the back. As you can see, there's 5 different slimes. Which slimes do you want to get, Addison?
I probably want the water slime because it doesn't stick to anything.
I want the marshmallow slime because it's fluffy and it feels nice.
Let's get unboxing.
To open your Poopsie Cutie Tootie, there's a Ziploc at the bottom that you can open, and it's also reusable. We have, I think this is instructions. We have the collector guide, and we have the cutie patootie poop. It's very squishy. Squishy and soft. Here are all the ones you can collect. There are 2 ways you can unbox this. You can cut off anywhere on the Poopsie, or there's a little tab on the bottom you can open. Today, I'm going to be cutting it. Oh, I got water slime. So jiggly. Get out of there. Soft. She's so cute. It looks like I got fins. And Fins looks like she is a regular. This slime is super jiggly, and it's also kind of metallic when you look up. I love this color. It's almost the same color as my poop. And also, did you notice that our little furry friend has real eyelashes? So stylish.
Okay, it's my turn to open my cutie tootie.
Who do you hope you get, Addison?
I probably want the black mermaid kitty.
Yeah, she's pretty cute.
Yeah. I'm gonna open mine from the bottom.
Be a little more safer.
Yeah. I'm
excited to see who you get.
Me too.
I think that's your little character you have.
I think I got marshmallow slime.
Ooh. That's the one I wanted. I got the slime that Addison wanted.
Maybe I get the character you wanted. Maybe I did on a mistake. Ooh. Do you think this is Marshmallow?
Yes, that's Marshmallow. Does it feel good on your hands?
Yes, it does. It does not stick either. I like how soft and glittery and light it is. And I like the purple color. Let's see who I got.
Do you need help getting your character out?
Yes.
Okay.
I got Bang and she is a regular.
Look, hear the noise when I drop it. Look.
And look, when I stretch it, it looks like a spider web.
What? But once you escape.
Mine doesn't even stick to anything. Because look how stretchy it is. Like when you stretch it and then you do that, it comes back
Can
in.
I try?
Yeah, it's really soft. Ew, it feels like I can't grab it. Yuck.
These slimes are so...
It's so slippery.
This is kind of like cloud slime.
Ew.
You want to trade slimes, Addison?
No, I do not want this.
Why?
This is gross.
These toys are so much fun. I hope I get Cuddles next.
And I really want one of these two. I don't care which mermaid, because I just love them. They're so pretty. Alexis, watch this.
Oh!
Like a spring.
Look.
She's like she's going
She's
underwater.
buried. She's buried.
Yay.
Oh yeah, because this is water slime.
Yeah.
Look.
And she's a mermaid.
If all you have
Baby
blue.
is so cute. Look how cute the
Ew.
baby is. She looks like a baby.
Oh.
Is she a baby?
Here, do you want to see my character?
Yeah, please trade.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you want us to try next.
Bye.